Two of the biggest CRM platforms, HubSpot and Pipedrive. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot CRM, the all-in-one powerhouse for sales, marketing, and service teams. And on the right, Pipedrive, the intuitive, sales-focused CRM with visual pipelines. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Let's quickly map out what we're going to look at. So here's the mind map. We're comparing price and plans, pipeline management, automation, reporting and dashboards, integrations, ease of use, and mobile experience. Basically, all the stuff that actually matters for daily work. All right, first up, price and plans. Starting with HubSpot CRM, you know what? It's got a super robust free tier, which is something I love, especially if you're just dipping your toes into CRMs. But, and this is important, as soon as you want some fancy automation or like deeper analytics, you gotta pony up for those upper tiers. It adds up kinda quick, so just FYI. Now, Pipedrive. While you don't get a free plan, the entry-level pricing is very wallet-friendly. It's all per user, so honestly, if you're a small sales team, it scales nicely. But beware, those add-ons look cheap until you click a few of them and, oh, your price balloons fast. Still, for overall affordability, Pipedrive takes this round. Next, pipeline management. Okay, let's talk HubSpot. You're getting customizable pipelines across marketing, sales, even customer service. You want to track stuff across different teams? No problem. But maybe you've noticed the interface can get a bit busy when you bolt on modules. Now, Pipedrive. This is like the MVP of visual pipelines. Drag and drop, see your deals move, super intuitive. It's one of those apps you can just pick up in a half hour. For sheer ease and instant deal clarity, Pipedrive's pipeline setup really shines. They're not messing around here. Winner? Pipedrive. On to automation. So HubSpot honestly is kind of the automation king. You get those epic multi-step workflows, some AI-powered stuff, and things like nurturing contacts with email sequences. For bigger teams, it's incredible. Only if you're a little one-person show, it might feel overwhelming or, just overkill. Move to Pipedrive. Here you get smart sales automation, setting up things quickly. It's straightforward and super easy for anyone to get started. But if you want the kind of automation that makes your coffee in the morning, that's more HubSpot territory, at least without paying extra for Pipedrive's advanced stuff. HubSpot snags the win here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Pipedrive was actually co-founded by frustrated sales managers who thought CRM software was way too complicated? Their big mantra is, sales should feel easy, which kind of explains the super simple UI, right? Now, reporting and dashboards. HubSpot comes in strong with these crazy comprehensive dashboards. You can split out stats for sales, marketing, literally everyone. Tons of customization if you're on higher plans. But again, beware, the pro analytics are a premium feature. Over to Pipedrive, reporting is super accessible, very affordable, and you do get multiple dashboards at higher tiers. If you're happy with basic stats, totally fine. But if you need the deep stuff, you'll bump into limits. So for reporting depth and customization, HubSpot has the edge. Integrations next. HubSpot? Holy moly, over 1,000 native integrations. Slack, Stripe, Gmail, you name it. The cool part is it's unified, so your marketing, sales, and service teams all stay connected. But just a heads up, some hubs talk to more apps than others. With Pipedrive, you're looking at a solid 350 plus integrations. Setup is painless, though you'll rely a little more on third-party tools if you need to integrate marketing or customer service. For sheer breadth, HubSpot scores another win. Ease of use. All right, this is where things get spicy. HubSpot's UX is modern and works wonders for complicated teams, like if you're juggling sales, marketing, maybe a support crew. But I'll be real, for plain old, sales-only setups, it can feel a bit much. Flip that to Pipedrive and wow, it's streamlined. Fewer clicks, fast onboarding, hours, not weeks. If you're in field sales, Pipedrive is awesome. The catch? You'll get more context in HubSpot if you're running cross-team ops, but if you want simple, quick, and easy, Pipedrive takes it. Last main scene, mobile experience. HubSpot's mobile app is actually quite full-featured, so if you're scheduling activities or tracking notes from your phone, it's pretty reliable. A few power user tricks are desktop only, but nothing you'll miss too much. With Pipedrive, their mobile app is light, easy, and nails deal tracking. If you want advanced analytics on the go, maybe it's not enough. But for everything you do at a client's office or in a cab, it's more than enough. Honestly, both of these get the job done. So let's call it a tie on mobile.
Quick visual check-in. Imagine a radar chart showing how both stack up across all those categories. You'll see HubSpot skew heavy on integrations, automation, and reporting. Pipedrive wins on price, pipeline management, and pure usability. So, what's the verdict? If you want integrated marketing, sales, and service, with the scalability and automation that comes with it, HubSpot CRM is your best bet. Growing businesses, especially, will love all those features. But if your heart is set on just moving deals fast, keeping things simple, and not emptying your bank account, Pipedrive is seriously hard to beat. Personally, I think HubSpot wins for bigger ambitions, but Pipedrive absolutely clinches it for teams that want to sell, not fuss. Thinking about signing up? Test drive them yourself at HubSpot.com or Pipedrive.com and let me know below which one you chose.